I was looking for a car na i-vlog ko. And then suddenly, I saw a new GR Sport here in the stockyard. So I decided to park it side by side and do a comparison on the effect of my GR Sport with the Avenger Box Camper. So mainly, I don't see any difference in the front, no? So what is the main effect of this one is the rear. Many people are interested on what happened after putting the camper. So here we are. We will take a look at the rear section. So with the camper connected, you have to remove the tailgate. So this one has to be removed. Okay, one problem with the removing of the tailgate is the backup camera. Temporarily, we put it here, but we still have to fix it, no? We put it here. Okay, so I still have the real backup camera, but the angle is different. So anyway, we will still do some modification, and because that is where you attach this camper. But mainly, we want to know the height, no? What happened to the height here? Okay, actually this is back heavy. So as you can see, from this one to this one, it's extended. So I'm moving back, no? Okay, so when you look at the rear, it's extended. So it's back heavy. What happened is the GR Sport sag. But now, I will show you the difference. So, now, I'm going to measure. We're going to measure the original height of the new GR Sport. Okay, from here to here, it's 98. So here, can you see it? 98. Okay, now I'm going to measure this one here, from here to here again, from here to here. It's 95. So here, 95. Can you see? 95. Okay, so the difference is only 3 centimeter. Okay, now we will look at the distance from the tire to here. Okay, it's 20. For the record, it's 20. And here, okay, it's 21. So what other changes did I do? The original tire is Dunlop Grand Trek. The size is 265/65R17. Okay, I changed to the BF Goodrich all-terrain. Okay, slowly one more time. BF Goodrich. The size is 265/65R17. Same size, all-terrain tire. Now, many people will be asking, how come I did not change to a bigger tire? I don't want to touch anything from the original configuration. The reason why you cannot change to a bigger tire is because of this one here. Okay, because of the spacing. Okay, The spacing here, okay, here. The spacing is very small. When you change a wider tire, it will be touching this already. Okay, I don't want to change this. I don't want to change anything. Okay, so here, let's come here and take a look. Bringing the camera in. So with this one, okay, so this is the distance. We will move forward side by side. Okay, so this is the difference between the GR Sport after putting the camper van with the help of the Airbag Man. So you will be asking what happened. So I'm going to take video below. This is the original setup. Okay, look at the rubber there. This is the original setup. Okay. Okay, we put it here. This is the original setup. Okay, and let's look at the new setup. For the new setup, I think I better go to the same side, on the driver's side. Okay. On the driver's side, so same location. So that is the difference. Okay, there is the Airbag Man already. That's where you put the Airbag Man. There's no conversion. Everything is bolt on. And now what is carrying the weight is the air suspension. That is the Airbag Man. These are the cable for the air. Okay, that's the air cable. And I'm going to the other side also. Let's go to the other side. Okay. Okay. Let's get inside the car. So, this is the Airbag Man. Okay, my hand is shaking. Gumagalaw kamay natin kasi nakapasok tayo sa sasakyan. Anyway, so this is the Airbag Man. You might be curious to see what happened. Yan, you only put that. There's a clamp, and then this is the air hose to increase the air inside the Airbag Man. Okay, humihingal tayo kasi nakaluhod tayo at nasa ilalim ng sasakyan. Anyway, okay, we're going out of the car. I'm going to take the original video so you can see. Papasok ulit tayo sa ilalim ng sasakyan. Okay, so ito yung original. Yan oh, yan, ganyan siya oh, may goma. So dyan siya dinidikit yung bracket sa taas, tapos they remove this one and they put the Airbag Man. So that is now carrying the weight. This one. Okay. Okay, so I think basically this is a short video ng comparison ng what happened after I put my Avenger box and what modification ang ginawa ko so that the height will be the same, or if not, there's only very small difference. So that's all for now. I think this would I hope this would give you an idea on how to adjust the height of the GR Sport. The simplest way to do it. No changing of leaf spring or the shock absorber, nothing, shock absorber. No changing of leaf spring, no changing of shock absorber, only adding the Airbag Man. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Humihingal pa tayo. Okay, thank you and please subscribe.